The Design Thinking with Systems Thinking workshop is a 2-day event designed for college students to equip them with the knowledge and skills necessary to approach complex problems in a holistic and collaborative manner. This workshop will cover the basics of design thinking and systems thinking, and how they can be applied together to create innovative solutions. Through a series of interactive exercises and case studies, students will gain hands-on experience in applying these methodologies to real-world scenarios. Day 1. Introduction to Design Thinking Session 1. Understanding Design Thinking Objective. To introduce the concept of design thinking as a unique approach to problem solving. Activities. 1. Presentation on design thinking and its principles. 2. Group discussion on how design thinking is different from other problem-solving approaches. 3. Case study analysis. The group will analyze real-world examples where design thinking was used to solve complex problems. This will help participants understand the practical implications of design thinking. Session 2. The Design Thinking Process Objective. To familiarize participants with the design thinking process and its stages. Activities. 1. Presentation on the 5 stages of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. 2. Interactive exercise. Participants will work in groups to design a solution to a given problem using the design thinking process. 3. Debriefing. Each group will present their solution, and the facilitator will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each proposal. Session 3. Applying design thinking in real-life objective. To encourage participants to apply design thinking to personal and professional challenges. Activities. 1. Group discussion. The facilitator will lead a group discussion on various real-life challenges that can be approached with design thinking principles. 2. Interactive exercise. Participants will apply the design thinking process to a personal challenge, such as improving their time management skills. 3. Debriefing. Participants will share their insights and learnings from the exercise. Day 2. Introduction to Systems Thinking Session 1. Understanding Systems Thinking Objective. To introduce the concept of systems thinking as a powerful approach to understanding complex issues. Activities. 1. Presentation on systems thinking and its principles. 2. Group discussion on how systems thinking differs from conventional thinking. 3. Introduction to system dynamics. Causal loop diagrams and stock and flow diagrams with illustrations of problem-solving scenarios. Session 2. The Systems Thinking Process Objective. To familiarize participants with the systems thinking process and its stages. Activities. 1. Presentation on the 5 stages of systems thinking. Understand the system. Identify key variables. Analyze the feedback loops. Develop a solution. Implement the solution. 2. Interactive exercise. Participants will work in groups to apply systems thinking to a complex problem, such as urban transportation. 3. Debriefing. Each group will present their solution, and the facilitator will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each proposal. Session 3. Applying systems thinking in real-life objective. To encourage participants to apply systems thinking to personal and professional challenges. Activities. 1. Group discussion. The facilitator will lead a group discussion on various real-life challenges that can be approached with systems thinking principles. 2. Interactive exercise. Participants will apply systems thinking to a personal challenge, such as improving their physical fitness. 3. Debriefing. Participants will share their insights and learnings from the exercise. Session 4. Synthesize Design Thinking and Systems Thinking Objective. To demonstrate how design thinking and systems thinking can be used together to solve complex problems. Activities. 1. Group activity. Participants will work in groups to apply design thinking and systems thinking principles to a complex real-world problem. 2. Debriefing. Each group will present their solution, and the facilitator will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each proposal. 3. Group discussion. The facilitator will lead a discussion on how design thinking and systems thinking can complement each other in problem-solving endeavors. Session 5. Conclusion and next steps. Objective: to summarize the learnings from the workshop and encourage participants to apply the principles of design thinking and systems thinking to their personal and professional lives. Activities. 1. Reflection. Participants will reflect on their learnings from the workshop and how they plan to apply these principles to their personal and professional lives. 2. Wrap up. Facilitator will summarize the workshop, thanking the participants and encouraging them to continue their learning and problem-solving journey. To avail discounts, hurry up, only few seats are available, and for more details, please visit www.ipqc.in and www.reskill.in. www.reskill